Welcome back to the show where we learn English through real internet drama.
Yes, the internet is chaotic, but it's actually a great place to learn how people really speak English.
Exactly. Today, we're breaking down a viral tweet that started a massive argument online.
And honestly, this argument is about something surprisingly serious.
Microwaving fish at work.
Oh no, we're already starting a war.
The viral tweet. All right, here's the tweet that started everything. If you microwave fish at the office, you should be fired immediately.
Wow, fired immediately? That's harsh.
The tweet went viral, over 200,000 likes and thousands of replies.
Because people have very strong opinions about food smells at work.
Vocabulary, fired. Let's explain the first word, fired.
To be fired means to lose your job because your boss removes you.
Example, if you're late to work every day, you might get fired.
But in this tweet, the person is joking that microwaving fish is such a terrible office crime that you should lose your job.
Which, honestly, some coworkers might agree with. The first reply.
The first reply says, "Imagine thinking you can control what other people eat."
Now this is internet sarcasm.
Sarcasm means saying something in a way that shows you think the other person is wrong or ridiculous.
Phrase, imagine thinking.
The phrase "imagine thinking" is very common online.
It basically means, your opinion is so wrong it's embarrassing. Example, imagine thinking pineapple on pizza is bad.
Careful, that debate might start another internet war.
The drama continues.
Then another person replied with a famous internet phrase, "Tell me you're the office microwave criminal without telling me."
That's a classic internet joke format. Phrase, tell me your blank without telling me. This phrase means your behavior clearly shows something about you.
Example, "Tell me you're addicted to coffee without telling me."
And the answer could be, I drink 6 cups before noon.
That's actually a little too relatable.
More internet slang. Then someone replied with this, bro, it's just fish, relax.
Now we have some classic internet slang.
Slang, bro. The word bro is very casual slang.
People use it when talking to a friend.
Or when someone thinks another person is overreacting.
Example, "Bro, what are you doing?"
Word, relax. Then we have the word relax.
Relax means calm down.
People often say this online when they think someone is being too dramatic.
Example, "Relax, it's not that serious."
Comment section chaos.
After that, the comment section exploded.
People started arguing about everything.
Office etiquette,
Food smells.
workplace rules.
Some people said microwaving fish is extremely rude.
Others said people should be free to eat whatever they want.
And just like that, one small tweet became massive internet drama. Summary. Let's review the English you learned today.
Fired, losing your job.
Imagine thinking, mocking someone's opinion.
Tell me your without telling me, a popular internet joke format.
Bro, casual slang.
Relax, calm down.
Outro. If you want to learn English through real internet stories, make sure to follow the podcast.
Next episode, we're breaking down a crazy Reddit breakup story.
And trust us, that drama is even worse.
See you next time.